A local disability rights advocacy group is suing the state of Iowa for providing what they claim as inadequate mental health resources. Local 5's Larissa Leone has more on this developing story.
I think we're at a real crisis point with our mental health system for our youth.
Catherine Johnson is the executive director of Disability Rights Iowa. She says approximately 87,000 Iowan children have been diagnosed with mental health issues. Johnson says although the need is great, many kids who are severely struggling are left without proper resources.
They're being unnecessarily placed in positions where they have to go to hospitals and sit in the ER for hours at a time and being told, we don't know how to help you. There is no help for you here.
We reached out to the Iowa Department of Human Services to provide information on what mental health services are available in the state. They denied comment. Disability Rights Iowa is suing the state. Catherine Johnson says the lawsuit alleges that Iowa has consistently failed to provide legally required and medically necessary intensive home-based services for youth with serious emotional disturbances.
This case, big picture, is about the state's responsibility to provide these legally required services, our plaintiffs' children's rights under the Federal Medicaid Act, under the Americans with Disabilities Act, and under the Rehabilitation Act to those services in an inclusive setting.
We also reached out to the Iowa Department of Human Services about the lawsuit. They again denied comment, but shared the department remains committed to serving all Iowans with special health care needs, especially children. They say we take our role serving Iowans seriously, as demonstrated by our transformational work over the past 3 years, which will continue. As for Disability Rights Iowa, they say they're prepared to fight for better care.
This is time to take some action. These are serious mental health needs that are not being addressed by our state.
Johnson shares a 2021 state report cited in the lawsuit, and it lists Iowa as the 41st worst state in the nation for providing mental health care for youths 12 through 17. A very sad statistic. Stephanie?
It is. All right, Larissa, thank you so much for that.